So ito guys, quick view sa mga topics na dapat ninyong malaman or pag-aralan para malaki yung chance nyo na pumasa sa actual exam. Okay? So, ito yung mga tinuturo namin dito sa topic gallery guys. So, sa mga self-study dyan, sa mga nalilito kung ano ba yung pag-aaralan, ano ba yung dapat unahin, okay, so you can use this one as your guide. So, disclaimer, iba-iba po yung curriculum ng mga schools. So, I don't know with the curriculum with other schools. Pero dito sa amin guys, ito yung mga tinuturo namin, no? Ito yung mga binabayaran ng trainees namin. And we believe na ito yung dapat talaga muna pag-aralan, no? Dapat nilang malaman. So first, this is for Basic Korean Language and Culture course, majored in EPS topic. So for EPS topic examinees po ito. Okay? And yung resources namin sa aming basic course is the EPS topic textbook, latest version, yung book 1 and book 2, and the Korean grammar in use, the beginner Korean basic. Okay. So, pinagsama po namin yung mga content, mga important contents ng dalawa, sinamarize namin, and ito po yung naging kinalabasan. Okay? Ayan guys. So, ano nga ba yung dapat ninyong pag-aralan? Okay, first, the Hangul, Korean alphabet. Okay, read and write. Okay? So, itong Hangul namin guys, kasi ano siya beginning, no? Kasi yung beginning talaga yung pinakamahirap. So, 16 hours of training. 16 hours po siya, guys. Bali, 2 sessions po siya. Next, the fundamentals, the Korean verbs, sentence type pattern, no? Kung different basic sentence pattern. Okay? So, tinuturo na rin namin, guys, kung paano mag-construct ng sentences. Basic. Okay? Korean verbs, yan. Numbering system, dates and weeks, location and direction. Kasi lalabas ito sa actual exam eh. Okay? Then, regular verbs. No? Paano mag-conjugate into present, past, future, present progressive tense, and past perfect tense. Okay? Next, the irregular verbs. Okay? So, paano i-conjugate yung mga irregular verbs? Okay? Yung lir, piup, tigut, okay, hiut, and shiut. Regular. Okay? And we have consonant assonation. So, yung pronunciation guide, guys, or double final consonant and sound change rules. So, ano ba yung mga matutunan dito? So, halimbawa, paano i-pronounce ng tama yung chaknyon? Okay, means last year. Yes, changnyon. So, bakit naging pronunciation niya is changnyon instead of chaknyon? Okay? So, yung mga rules na ganun. Okay, then, making negative sentences. So, you will also learn these grammatical structures. Yan, guys, no? How to say I can't, I don't in Korean. Next. Part of our basic lesson is the different basic particles in Korean. The mga basic particles, iga, unnun, ul, then rul. So yung difference nila, okay? So this will be explained by our trainers. And with situations po yun, guys. So that they will understand when to use iga, unnun, then ul, rul. Okay? Then, kwa, wa, hagu, rang, yan. Ayan guys, mga different basic particles, didiscuss din po namin yan. Okay. And also with sample sentences and activities, quizzes, and assignments. Next, making compound sentences. Okay, so paano ba magpahaba ng mga sentences? Tinuturo din po namin. Using this grammatical structure, ku, kona, chiman, then, nyun, or unnunde. Okay, yan. Next, the structures related to time. So, pag-aaralan din po dito itong mga structures na ito, guys. So, I guess familiar po kayo nito. If kayo po ay EPS topic examinees na nag-aaral ngayon ng Korean, nagre-review, so, I guess nakita nyo na po ito sa mga questions, no? Itong mga grammatical structure na ito. Okay. Ayan. Okay, next. The also ita okta, how to say I can or I know how to. Okay, yan po yun, guys. Then, demand, obligations, permission, and prohibition. So, the grammatical structures na magagamit ninyo when you make or when you demand, when you ask permission, when you prohibit, ganun. So, useyo, chimaseyo, a, o, ya, teda, hada, a, o, tu, teda, then umyon, andeda, yun. Okay? Also part dito, guys, this one, expressing hope and wishes. Okay, so, kushipta, asumyon chuketta. So, you will also learn this grammatical structure with sample sentences and activities. Then, making Making reasons and causes. So different ways how to say because or since, no? How to make reasons in Korean. So we have basic one. Also, unika. Okay. Temune or ki temune. Okay, yan. Then making request and offer. Ayan guys. Juseyo, jusikessoyo, and julkeyo, julkayo. Yan. Turilkeyo. Honorific form. Turilkayo. Ganun. So ito guys. Next, telling experiences. Ayan. Okay. And also you have to learn asking opinions and making suggestions by studying the grammatical structure. Ulkayo, yupsida, or ja, shikessoyo, then ulleyo. Ganun. So, marami siya guys. And intentions and plan, kessoyo, ulkeyo, ulleyo, yan. Background information and explanation. Dito, nanunde. So, we will learn, they will discuss the different usages of nunde. How to conjugate this one, in what situation siya ginagamit, ganun. Situational po yung mga examples nito. Then, unika, yan, hindi guys. No? Okay, next, stating purpose and intention. Okay, so dito you will also learn how to say in order to, okay, I intend to, for the sake of, I decided to, yan. The grammatical structures, this one. And conditions and suppositions, umyon, if, uryo면, okay, if you plan to, ganun, if you intend to, and to, okay, even if, ganun. Next, conjecture or making predictions. Kessoyo, ayan, different meanings of kessoyo, ayan. This one, ulkoyeyo, ulkayo, then nunggok katayo, ulkok katayo, yan. No? And changes in parts of speech. So, you will also learn how to make verbs into noun form. And also verbs to become modifier form. Ganon guys. So, dito po yun sa section na ito. And also, making verbs into adverb. Yan. The adverb. Okay? Then, expressions of changes of state. Ito din guys, yung kuita. Yung suda, ipta, kida. Okay? Yung ginagamit na to wear sa different parts of the body. Then, ito din guys, no? Mga grammatical structure, o itta. Okay? O jida, chotta, chilkosida. Then, kededa. Okay? Then, confirming information, ayan, nunji, nunde, kolida, drilda, ayan, jio, jo, ji, okay? Discovery and surprises, nunggunyo, kuna, then neyo. And we also have additional endings, yung ungayo, unnayo, ganun. Then, nundeyo, and kodunyo versus janayo. Okay, yan, mga additional endings. Then, direction and quotation. Direct and indirect quotation, guys, are contracted forms. So, you will also learn the rago, tago, chago, nyago, yung mga ganun, mga quotation. So, you will learn. And also, there, yung ano guys, yung contracted forms nila, yung reyo, okay, cheyo, teyo, ganun. So, you will learn it here. And additional discussions from, po, guys. Also, we will learn the work safety regulations. This is in the ano na guys, no, in the last part of the training. EPS workers issue and also other honorific forms. Although guys, in the middle of the training, tinuturo na namin yung honorific forms, but we will also have special discussion related to honorific forms kasi marami pa yan eh. Okay, then hanja. The importance of learning hanja, vocabulary builder lesson. So ito po ay tinuturo namin sa trainees para mas madali nilang or mas madali sila makapag-ipon ng vocabs. Hanja, then passive verbs, ihirigi rule. Okay, dan. Intermediate grammars. So ito po guys, intermediate grammars kasi meron pong mga grammatical structure sa actual exam na wala sa book 1 and book 2. Meron pong mga nahalo. So that is why doon namin kinukuha, no? Doon namin dinidiscuss sa intermediate grammars. If you learn all of these, malaki yung chance mo na pumasa sa actual exam. Okay? If you learn and master all of this, so malaki yung chance mo na pumasa sa actual exam. Hindi lang sa actual exam, rating mo din doon sa Korea, makakatulong din po siya, no, sa araw-araw na pamumuhay mo. Okay? We provide this one, the hard copies of the EPS topic book, book 1, meron ding book 2. Ayan. So, binibigay din namin sa trainees namin. So that after their basic course, pwede silang magbasa-basa uli. Also, we have review. During our review naman guys, doon pinag-aaralan namin yung 960 questions. Dinidiscuss yun ng trainer namin, and we also provide mock test tulad nito guys. No? Yan, mock test. So same sa actual exam. Ito po yung actual exam pattern. So sa review course, dito na tinuturo ng trainer kung paano ba sagutan yung mga different types ng questions sa actual. Okay, dito pa namin tinuturo siya. Of course, di siya tinuturo agad. Kailangan mo nang pagdaanan yung basic course bago pumunta dito. Okay, yung mga techniques kung paano siya sagutan. Okay. Ito guys, ayan no. Sample, no, reading. Okay. So dinidiscuss din po 'yan ng trainer. After kasi ng mock test, we have 10 or more, no. We have more than 10 sets of mock tests. Okay, so marami kaming mock tests, guys. So, and kada matapos yung mock test, ini-explain po yan ng trainer kung bakit nagyan yung naging sagot, ito, bakit yan, ini-explain niya isa-isa, lahat, pinapaintindi, kung meron mga vocabularies na hindi na pagdaanan sa basic, doon kinukuha. Okay? Yan, listening, no? So, we have a lot of this one. So, marami kaming ganito, guys, para mapagpraktisan ng mga trainees bago sila mag-take ng actual exam. Okay? So, basically, yun po lahat, guys, no? Yung dapat unahin sa pag-aaral. And I hope po sa mga self-study na hindi afford mag-aral sa KLC, I hope po is nakabigay po siya ng tulong sa inyo. Nakapagbigay siya ng guide or idea kung ano ba yung dapat pag-aralan. Okay? So, thank you po guys, and see you on the next video.